Good day friends, this channel for mechanical engineering. This channel is your pocket dictionary of mechanical. This channel contains our basic inquiry question and answer, mechanical design, software of Creo, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, etc. and production and quality departments related. So please subscribe KPS Make English channel. If you like videos, please share your friends. Hello friends, are you studying mechanical engineer? Or you go to any interview? So, very useful, commonly asked in any interview for mechanical engineering. Just 200 questions and answers. We give the 10 parts of videos. Every part 20 question and answer given. You prepare the basic knowledge for mechanical engineering interviews. Section 5, question number 81. Count the analysis and calorific values of fuels can be reported. Answer: it may be reported as received or fired basics, dry or moisture free basics, combustible or ash and moisture free basics. Question number 82. What is the difference between nuclear fission and fission chain reaction? Answer: the process of splitting of nucleus into two almost equal fragments accompanied by release of heat in nuclear fission. Self-sustained continuing sequence of fission reactions in a controlled manner is fission chain reaction. Question number 83. Explain difference between fissile and fertile materials. Answer: the materials which can give nuclear fission, example U35, Bu39, U33 are fissile materials. Fertile materials itself is not fissionable, but it can be converted to a fissionable material by irradiation of nutrients in a nuclear reactor. Question number 84. What do you understand by fuel cycle in nuclear plants? Answer: fuel cycle is a series of sequential steps involved in supplying fuel to a nuclear power reactor. The steps include mining, refining, uranium, fabrication of fuel elements that are used in nuclear reactor, chemical processing to recover remaining fissionable material, re-enrichment of fuel from recovered material, prefabrication of new fuel elements, waste storage, etc. Question number 85. What is heavy water and what its use in nuclear plants? Answer: water containing heavy isotopes of hydrogen is known as heavy water. Heavy water is used as a moderator. Heavy water has low cross section for absorption of nutrients than ordinary water. Heavy water slows down the fast neutrons and thus moderates the chain reaction. Question number 86. What is a converter reactor? Answer. A reactor plant which is designed to produce more fuel than it consumes. The trading is obtained by converting fertile material to fissile material. Question number 87. Explain nuclear reactor in brief. Answer. A planet which initiates, sustains, controls and maintains nuclear fission chain reaction and provides shielding against radioactive radiation is nuclear reactor. Question number 88. What is the difference between conversion and enrichment? Answer. The process of converting the non-fissile U-38 to fissile U-35 is also called conversion. The materials like U-38, which can be converted to a fissile material by the neutron flux, is called fertile material. The conversion is obtained with the nuclear reactor during the chain reaction. Enrichment is the process by which the proportion of fissile uranium isotope is increased above 0.7%. The concentration of U-35 in the uranium hexafluoride is increased from the 0.7% in natural uranium to 4%. This is called enrichment and is accomplished in an enrichment plant. Question number 89. Disposal of radioactive waste materials and spent fuel is major and important technology. How the waste radioactive material is disposed of? Answer. No usable fission products are radioactive and take short, medium, long time for radioactive decay to reach safe level radioactivity. Accordingly, three methods of disposal. First method, zero or low radioactivity material is dispersed or stored without elaborate shielding. Second, medium radioactivity material is stored for short duration of about 5 years to allow decay of radioactivity. Third one, high radioactivity material. They are stored in water for several months to permit radioactive decay to an acceptable low level. Question number 90. Which nuclear reactor uses water as a coolant, moderator and reflector? Answer. Pressurized water reactor. Question number 91. Which reactor produces more fissionable material than it consumes? Answer. Breeder reactor. Question number 92. Which reactor uses natural uranium as fuel? Answer. Gas cooled reactor. Question number 93. Which reactor uses heavy water as a moderator? Answer. CANDU. Question number 94. Which reactor requires no moderator? Answer. Breeder reactor. Question number 95. Which reactor uses primary coolant as fluoride salts of lithium, beryllium, thorium and uranium? Answer. Molten salt breeder reactor. Question number 96. Why an increase in area is required to produce an increase of velocity in case of supersonic flow? Answer. Increase in area for increase in velocity for supersonic flow is required because the density decreases faster than velocity decreases at supersonic speeds, and to maintain continuity of mass, area must increase. Question number 97. Under what circumstance would there be an increases in pressure in divergent nozzle? Answer. For supersonic flow at inlet sections of diffuser a lower velocity and higher pressure will exist at the exit section. For supersonic isotropic flow at the inlet sections a higher velocity and lower pressure will exist at the exit, but if shock wave occurs in the diffuser, then a higher pressure will exit at the exit. Question number 98. Why water cannot be used as refrigerant for small refrigerating equipment? Answer. The refrigerant should be such that the vapor volume is low, so that pumping work will be low. Water vapor volume is around 4,000 times compared to R for given mass. Question number 99. Which parameters remains constant in a throttling process? Answer. Enthalpy. Question number 100. What is the difference between isentropic process and throttling process? Answer. In isentropic process, heat transfer takes place and in throttling process, enthalpy before and after the process is same. Okay friends, this section is completed. Next section, important questions are coming. Thank you for this section.